Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike Cosmic Creations. Going to go over a quick video. There's a link in the video description that can take you to the website for all of our prices and options on all of our kits. These are our exclusive 144 count strips. So these are 10 row per wheel on this particular kit for this customer. There are 180 LEDs per strip times 10 strips is 1,800 LEDs per wheel. That's 40 feet of strips, by the way, per wheel. Okay? So if you want to be the boss, you want to be the brightest and the best out there, this gets you on top of your game. We've got these in all available other kits: hood, underbody, mirror, exterior, interior, you name it. But that is pretty freaking awesome. By the way, this is all hooked up to one controller, which is how it should be. We also have this hooked up to only one of our new amplifiers. If you haven't seen those in another video, go back a little bit. They're fully waterproof. So this is 40 feet, 80 feet, 120 feet on one amplifier. Now, the trick to getting that done is how you manage your extensions in your amplifiers. Okay. For shits and giggles, those who want to know, all of those lights are pulling 13.5 amps. So there you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.